Hello, today I'm in Ford C-Max. In this video I'll show you how to enable and disable emergency assistant feature. In the beginning, take a look at the screen display and now go to settings. Scroll right and go to emergency assistance. Switch this button. And now let's learn about this function. If set to on, emergency assistance will automatically attempt to call emergency services using your connected phone when a qualified crash is detected. To disable this function, again switch this button. Make sure that your phone is connected with the car while using this function. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.